I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
He opens the box.
He opens the box.
She closes the window.
She closes the window.
We read a story.
We read a story.
They jump together.
They jump together.
I write a letter.
I write a letter.
He cuts the paper.
He cuts the paper.
She paints the wall.
She paints the wall.
We clean the floor.
We clean the floor.
They shout loudly.
They shout loudly.
I call my friend.
I call my friend.
He picks a flower.
He picks a flower.
She brings water.
She brings water.
We make a card.
We make a card.
They throw the ball.
They throw the ball.
I carry the bag.
I carry the bag.
He folds the paper.
He folds the paper.
She washes clothes.
She washes clothes.
We feed the dog.
We feed the dog.
They ride a bike.
They ride a bike.
I sweep the room.
I sweep the room.
He kicks the ball.
He kicks the ball.
She turns on the fan.
She turns on the fan.
We plant a tree.
We plant a tree.
They blow balloons.
They blow balloons.
I peel the apple.
I peel the apple.
He fixes the chair.
He fixes the chair.
She checks the door.
She checks the door.
We hang the picture.
We hand the picture.
They boil the eggs.
They boil the eggs.
I open my book.
I open my book.
He drinks water.
He drinks water.
She buys a pen.
She buys a pen.
We draw animals.
We draw animals.
They dance happily.
They dance happily.
I clap my hands.
I clap my hands.
He touches the table.
He touches the table.
She carries a box.
She carries a box.
We cut the cake.
We cut the cake.
They color the picture.
They color the picture.
I skip the rope.
I skip the rope.
He sharpens his pencil.
He sharpens his pencil.
She irons the clothes.
She irons the clothes.
We build a house.
We build a house.
They light a candle.
They light a candle.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
He digs the soil.
He digs the soil.
She rides a horse.
She rides a horse.
We mop the floor.
We mop the floor.
They sing a song.
They sing a song.